Hello, She. Hi, Sheila Esteves. Well, nandito na po yung na-request mo sa aking song, Dance with My Father. Alam kong may inaalay kang kantang to. So, sana magustuhan mo my friend. Ingat ka dyan sa abroad. At sana huwag makalimot sa pamilya mo. Tumawag, mag-text, kakamustahin. Ito na. Kakantahin ko to para sa'yo dahil na-request mo. Sheila, ingat. Thank you. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would leave behind, and that's with my mother and me, and spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play the song that would never ever end. How I've loved to dance with my father again. Ooh. When my mother would disagree, yeah, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreams that he would be gone for me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside the door, and I hear my mother, she cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying too much, but could you stand by the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every time I fall asleep, and this is how I ever to dance with my father again. Thank you, Sheila. Sana magustuhan mo. Hope you like this. Mag-ingat. Bye-bye.